Hi friends, I'm going to show you, or better rather, I'm going to give you overview on Microsoft Word 2007. So, how we can go into this Microsoft Word? We can either write here in the run command MS Word, and we can press enter. So it will open MS Word for you. Or we can go to the our start button, and then after clicking on that we'll get program. From there we can search, or we can find here if we have opened recently, then Microsoft Office will be there. So just go to this MS Word. So when this is the first window after clicking on Microsoft Word. So in this window you will see this is the ribbon. This is the ribbon in 2007, Windows 2007. This is called ribbon. This ribbon is made of basically tabs. These are the tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, reference tab, mailing tab, review tab, view tab, and home tab. So this ribbon is made up of tabs, and each tab basically made of groups. So groups is like clipboard. This is one group. Font, this font group, paragraph group, style group. These are the groups, and each group display actually several group of commands and is called command tabs. So basically this is called command tab. So this is clipboard. This is clipboard group on the home tab. So this is home tab, and this is clipboard group on home tab. And what is command within each group, like this clipboard, we can see one command is there, like cut, copy, format, printer. So each are the commands. And this is office button. Office button is basically the file menu in the older version of MS Word. So this office button, if you click on this office button, it will show the file menu. This is means quite similar to the file menu of the older version of MS Word. So this office button shows the menu for new. You can click on this new to open new file. You can open any existing Word file, or you can save this file, or you can click on save as. So it will give you an option in which format you want to save, like MS Word template, MS Word 97 to 2003 document, or you can give any file name when you click on this save as command. Then you can print, you can prepare, send, publish, close. So these are the office button menu. And at the end of this menu you can see, see there is a exit Word button. So if you click on this exit Word button, you will come out of the MS Word, and there is Word option also. So you can customize your Word option here: display, save, advance, and this option is there. So I don't want to do anything in Word option, so I can cancel it. So this is the main thing. And then you can have a quick access toolbar. So what is quick access toolbar? These are the quick access toolbar. In quick access toolbar, you can quickly save this document, or you can do undo. This is undo button. I did not type anything, so if I type and then again I type, then see undo button is coming up, it is active. So you can select any thing, like typing this, you are undoing till this point, you are undoing this, or there is redo button. So if you click on this, it will again do all the things you just remove. So this is quick access toolbar. This 3 is under quick access toolbar. So you can customize this quick access toolbar as well. You can add any new option in this quick access toolbar. What is mini toolbar? Mini toolbar is, suppose if you are selecting this text, there's you can go to mini toolbar. So mini toolbar appears when you select the text to give quick and easy access to the basic formatting. So this is for basic formatting, like you can change the format. See, the format is changing, format of your text is changing. You can bold this, you can italic this, you can underline this. So these are the menu toolbar. And there is text also, text color. You can put text color like this. So that's it. That is for your MS Word 2007 chapter. Thank you.